All right, welcome back to TechTonica. Let's see, where am I? I am at this base right here. Let's go up here. I made a little power pole to bring me power. My sandstone here. Let me get up this. So we're outputting. Oh, I have not brought in fuel to here yet, so I'll need to bring it back through here eventually. But this just goes back through here. All right, we just come through here, and then we drop down. First stop is in here to make me some coolant. Let me go ahead and grab me some of that. There we go. Nice and cool now. So for my digging, the rest of it, once this fills up, right, this is going to fill up pretty good. I need to switch this one to faster belts, though. It's coming over here. As you can see, I just started it up. And it's going in here to make my fuel. So now we got... Ooh, that's almost full. We're going to have to create a storage area for some of this stuff to keep overproducing. So we got plant matter and stuff, so we should have constant fuel. Now I need to get an outlet for the fuel back over there. It seems easy enough. I should just be able to take it from over here and run it up there. Maybe I will later. But first, let's supply a repair door with 40 processor units. I have 88. I'll stop making these for now so I can make processor units for this quest. That's all I should need processor units for, I believe. We'll make some more. Get some more going. Now I gotta remember where this door was. I don't even know. I don't know. Could it have been this way? Let's get our scanner out. It's not in there. Is that a light over there? Have I not been this way? Yeah, I've been this way. That system is online. So let's explore down this way then. See if we can't see anything new. I've been liking to put my lanterns back, so I know I've been there. Like I'll do this one. Helps us see a little bit. Ooh, more of these
Keep an eye on
things.
your Echo Sketch map, Breaker. Some walls are more interesting to cut through than others.
Roger that. So it's saying to cut through right there to the left. Give me all these. I need all these C's right here. And we're going to go back and cut through that wall. Once we get all these little C's right here, we're collecting the world. This one still needs to be scanned. All right, so let's take a look. I think we've been back around there. Let's go back though. It's like a green. Oh, that green dot is way down there. I've already got to it. Okay, I haven't been in here yet. Let's grab all these. All right, now I've been back here. Better let me out before I start digging on these. It looks like we want to go this way, right here. So let's do it. Ooh, what we got here? Give me a little stair stepper going there. Let's go back around this way. Grab all these blues. Look for any tech. Might be hiding in the bushes here. Not seeing any tech. I've probably missed it, so let me know in the comments if I've missed something. What we got here? We've got just parts, processor inserter, mechanical parts. So it's all stuff we've had before. That. So nothing new here. Let's clean up the ground a little bit. Doesn't look like anything is really over there. Well, let's cut up. Let's cut up this way. Let's go left. Let's cut up this way. So she said some paths are more interesting than others. Is that some blue stuff in here for me? Oh, we're at the top of the waterfall now. Okay, that's where I fell in before. Search around in here for stuff. Look at that. Just when you thought the coast was clear, they had something hiding in the bushes. What do we get? Scans complete. Cool Dense V tech now available in Tech Tree. Okay. Sure they ain't hiding nothing around this one either. I'll have to start clearing around them things. Making sure. Like, right here. So let's go scan that bad boy. Scan that bad boy. Here we are. Let's go visit. See what's cracking.
This elevator control console is dead. Fortunately, your suit was built to fall safely from any height. On Calyx, when all of your friends jump off a cliff, you get to jump off too.
Nice. Of course, we've already fell down.
Facility access door unavailable. Refer to display panel for self-repair requirements.
We need some belt Mark IIs and cooling systems. Well, this is not where we want to be, but we found it, which is cool. Let's head on back. I clear all this to make sure there's no things. Yes, I did. You need them. Nothing here. By that light. That light. Moving on. All right, now where do we need to go? I think we've been in there, maybe? Let's see if we can't go to the right here. I think maybe that's where we needed to go. Let's check up in here. Is this the doorway? I think that's the doorway up there. That we needed to get in with these 40 explosives. There it is. 40 processor units. Thank you. Door is repaired.
We're in. Scan those mining charges. And that computer has something up with it too.
Mining charge tech now available in the tech tree. Data bank entry. Hey, now this door is open. That sucker. What do we got here? Crash B2 tech now available in the tech tree. Nice.
Something keeps pinging this terminal with the most irritating supply requisition I've ever seen. Wait, it's the Excalibur. But why would they requisition? Hold on. It's not a requisition at all. Someone is using the supply management system to send a distress call?
Automated distress call received. Waypoint added to system display.
An automated distress call? I've only ever seen one of these in training. It shouldn't even happen. These beacons only light up when someone becomes unable to trigger a distress call themselves. Or worse. We need to find the source of that signal. Somebody needs our help.
Well, judging by the state of everything around here, I think they're about dead. Yeah, I think they're done for. Oh, look at that. I could come through here. I didn't think I could. Well, now we know. Let's clear this out a little bit, clean it up. Protected area. Scan this thing. Right here. There we go. There we go. Light up the entrance. Ooh, what's over there? Where am I even at? Ew, I'm up top here. There's something back to the right of me. Looks like a sleeping container or something. What are these things? I don't know. Ooh, I can't let these shiver thorns go, though. Gotta get them. Emergency beacon. I don't know if we're gonna mess with that right now. Let's clean this place up. Getting some room to sleep. There we go. Let's clear out y'all a little bit of space here. Beautiful. Now y'all can rest y'all's head nicely. Let me get y'all a new light too. There you go. Ooh, a scan.
If everything else is right where we left it, my camp might as well be too. If you were part of my crew, you probably recognize this place. Procedure was to take a portable habitat module into the field. That wasn't for us, so we rigged an assembler to make all this instead. We did everything our own way, but whatever they needed for the expedition, we found. People leave you alone when you get results. Those were good times. At some point, something else started to matter. That part is all a blur. I know we were supposed to go home.
Well, what happened? There you go. I cleared out above you. Oh. So now y'all ain't got to worry about stuff falling on your heads. All them stalactites up there. Oh, I heavy? I am encumbered. Oh my. So I'm gonna grab these. And I'm gonna head back to base. And then maybe, just maybe, we'll take care of that emergency beacon. But I'll meet y'all over there. Alright, I unloaded some stuff. I'm not weighed down now from all that digging. Let's check a look at our power. Still doing alright, halfway. I built a few more water generators down here. Just a few. Right here, they wouldn't line up. The water generators would be too low, and this terrain would be too high, and that's as far as I can bring it down. Let's take a look at terraforming. New, active, active, active. Don't have blue, but we do have the mining charge. Let's hold that down and get that.
Task inbound. Mining charge. Manual placement and detonation required. Unaha's worksuit shielding in effect.
Shielding in effect. All right, what else we got? That's blue. We don't have that. We don't have that. This is all blue junk. Oh, here's a purple. Craft speed 2. Increases handcrafting speed to 150% of base. We'll take it. We'll activate that. Logistics. Nope, that's a blue. Tool belt 3. That would be nice to find. Transportation. Things good there. It's good here. Science. No purple. Blue, 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 blue. This will probably be purple once we find it. What you doing here? There you go. Get out the way. How much copper bars do I got? Are we doing all right over here? That copper's full. That's working. So yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that could speed that up a bit, but nah, we ain't going to. So let's go to this right here. Let's see what we got that's new. Heaven's Eye Orbital Telescope. Intersector hand mounts transmission. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Dot dot dot. The Heaven's Eye orbital satellite was the primary vector for communications between Earth and all, and a consistent transit to Calyx. It was also used to establish a secondary worldwide internet on Earth exclusively for the use of expeditionary staff and liaisons within the assembled nations. Though major domains on the existing internet remained mirrored via the Hyundai extensions, whatever that means. Equipment 75%. We got lots of expedition to go, lots of floor. Right? Inserter. Thought we got this one already. All right, from wizard to fixer. Reinserter ratio calculation fixer. I don't send you these figures for the purpose of opening a debate about why M.O.L.E chose to go with inserter-based designs for our machines instead of direct feed conveyor belts. That's exactly what I was wondering. There's literally no way that someone of your qualifications believes what you're saying, so I'm going to assume that you're trolling me. Some of us don't have armies of drones to give us that kind of free time that you enjoy. So I'd appreciate it if blah blah blah. Tech tree logistics, self-powered fuel, yield transition, medical augmented material appendage inserter was a robotic industrial arm commissioned by NX to move materials between conveyor belts, machines, storage facilities under the standardized protocol of scale, weight, and proportion. National Commission China, cycles per minute 18, reach 1. Many hands make light work. Proverb. Next, we got the monorail system. Oh, looks like we got a second one. I really don't know which one I got. So you're not getting it. Even if we upped our monorail cap so you could move it, there's no way to know if it's worth the trouble. Let the brain trust pin their hopes to these kinds of million-to-1 shots. We've got people back home waiting for the things we actually came for. Listen to yourself. You're saying we can't get approval for more monorail without sending you proof of something that we can only send if we get approval for more monorail. I'm not sending you 10 people to carry this thing all the way up to you for the sake of blah blah blah. In the event of distance that are both in excess of general guidance guidelines and for materials which are not required for fueling and or refinement in the immediate vicinity, transportation via monorail may be authorized. Please note that requests for use of the system are currently backlogged, and that requisitions will be evaluated on a blah blah blah. Texture logistics, we read that already. And personnel, Paladin. Results, Excalibur emergency drills. Report, Excalibur emergency drills. Disaster scenario 17. Commanding officer, Paladin, Lieutenant Colonel. Trial 1, time 2 hours, 2 minutes, 36 seconds. Simulation result, loss of life, permanent structural damage, expeditionary failure assured. Resolution, emergency NCO meeting, and repeat of trial. Trial 2, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 38 seconds. Simulation result, success. Resolution, repeat trial. Trial 3, time 50 minutes, 21 seconds. Simulation result, success. Resolution, repeat trial. Objections dismissed. Trial 4, 44 minutes, 12 seconds. Result success. Repeat trial. Objectives dismissed. Trial 5, 42 minutes, 38 seconds. Simulation result success. Exercise concluded. As a specialist in tunneler plotting, the incumbent is responsible for leadership and performance of the Excalibur tunnel and modular-based construction platform. Additional duties related to overall directions of frontline and reconnaissance groups may also be assigned at the sole discretion of Command Group Pacific. Name Stephen Warner. Call sign Paladin. Rank Lieutenant Colonel. Group Command. Alright, that's it for that. L, we've heard all this. J, let's cert qual. Let's do mining charges. Question is, where do we go now? What's this? Emergency broadcast. Build and place detonate mining charges on an Atlantean geode. I mean, I would think that would be close, right? Let's get in here a little more. Yes, where did we come from? We got this box, right? Maybe not. Protected area. Oh, it's right up in the stairs. Okay, never mind. Let's continue back this way then. Scan this. Let's put ours up here. Have I not been this way? I don't know. I get lost in these tunnels. I'm collecting these seeds, though. I know that. No, there's something on the ground over there that's caught my attention. What is this thing? Electrical components. I think it was a beacon. Give me that. Let's get rid of these rocks. There we go. Looking good. All right, where to next? Some plants we need to gather. Alright, we're not going there yet. It's trying to lead me up in there. There we go. Got rid of that rock. Looks like that's all that's over here. We got a giant copper to our right. Get rid of these rocks. There ain't nothing up in here. Go. You. We're in this little hole right here. Let's see what we got. It's clear. Oh, we got stuff in here. Let's see what else they're hiding. They're hiding some miners. Look like they're hiding too much other stuff. So we'll take these parts. I don't think there's going to be anything new, but just in case there is. I think that's it for over here. We got all the plant matter. Let's head on back and go through that river. There's nothing over here. Let's bust all these rocks up on my way. Alright, EV is that way. There's that rock I was talking about. I wonder if it's in that little area back there. About to find out. We about to open up our map. See what's cracking up in here. This tunnel goes on and on and on. Oh gosh, it's that black steel again. Protected area. So we can't go back this way. Can't do nothing with that. Eventually I'm going to mark off all these places I can't do nothing with. See what I'm saying? This might actually be a good spot for generators. Let's see. If I rotate this one like that, right? And I put, oh, I cannot. It will not let me. Oh, scratch that. I'm out of here. I was thinking that could be a good place if it could go up a little bit. So using our map from what we can see, if we go up here, oh, is this the place?
Extraterrestrial material detected. Advanced mining drill or upgraded tool required.
Bad plan. That plan sucks. Breaker, you're going to build and place as many mining charges as it takes to blow this wall into the next sector. We need to get to that distress call as soon as possible.
All right, so how do we build mining charges? Kindle vine, sugar thorn, and plant matter frames. Let me go get some. And voila, like that, I've got some mines. I got 75. So let's do this. Let's see. Let's see what I can mine out around it first. I mean, we could, yeah, just go around this thing. But she wants to blow it to bits for some reason. We're gonna have a floating light there, it looks like. I still got 450 coolant. All right, here's the alien rock. I'm just going to continue mining and see if we can make it back there to him without blowing up the rock. All right, any day now. All right, let's check the map. Oh, they're above me. Ew. Well, okay then. Let's go up. Let's go up like this. Up. Jump up in mine. Jump up in mine. There we go. All right, what we got up in here? We have more alien materials. So let's see if we can just mine around it. Protected area. It looks like I am going to have to blow this stuff up. Alright, so yeah, this part, it will not let me dig around. Protected area. Oh, wait, will it? No? Protected. All right, let's just go around. Looks like we got lots of alien ore to destroy. So let's get our charges out. We're going to start making our way through. So let's see. There we go. Alien metal, get out of here. So E detonate. Can I pick that up? Am I getting anything for it? Oh, I'm getting that ore. Thank you. Let me finish cleaning this up real quick. All right, I've destroyed as much as I could. This right here will not just be destroyed. See? I can get a good... See? Yeah, it won't be destroyed. It's part of the thing. I didn't mess with this yet. I did build me a bridge because them detonate. They detonate deep. Let me tell you that. I get a detonation off this one. Yeah, I can't do nothing. All right, so let's get up in here. Let's see what we can scan.
Welcome, Groundbreaker, to the Excalibur. Proceed to your designated safety area and prepare for descent. We are bound for our final destination, Sector Victor. Upon arrival, preparations for our scheduled re-ascension will begin immediately. Do not delay in exiting the vessel.
This thing looks a little... Oh, this thing's sideways. Oh, snap. Can I dig anything in here? No, I can't dig nothing. That scanner tool back out. Oh, those are stairs. Scan tool belt 3, tech now available. Awesome.
Facility access door unavailable. Refer to display panel for self-repair requirements.
All right, let's take a look and see what they need to repair this bad boy. Can I even make cooling systems? I don't think I
Task
can.
inbound. Supply facility access door with self-repair materials. Tier 5 technology required to manufacture.
This store has another self-repair requirement, but we're in no position to argue. This is an emergency. If you haven't started making those yet, get going.
Cooling systems. Let's see. Those will be intermediate. Oh, I got some. How do I make them? Mechanical components and sugar throwing. How much do I need? 40 and 300 copper wire. Well, I've got the 40. I guess I don't have the 40. Can make 40. Alright, well, I was crafting the stuff in my inventory. I destroyed them blocks. Stronger tool required. I cannot blow up the core of that thing. Here's another one. Oh, and there's that core. I'll put a detonation charge on the wall and look at that. Put it right there. Look at that. That's some mining right there. But yeah, waiting on the copper wire now. Alright, I think everything's done crafting. I'll put some floors up underneath it here. Put another light beside it. Why not? Light it up. Boom. That thing is lit up. Let's come down here. Put some lights on this one. Got plenty of them. I guess eventually one day we'll be able to put some miners on that. Let's get up in here and let's open this door, see what's going on. In the scan? No, nothing to scan. Let's put the wire, let's put the cooling motors. And in we go.
Lots of memories rushing back. For a moment, I thought they were distorted, but now I realize it was something else. This place is sideways. Literally. This is the Excalibur. It belonged to the expedition. That factory and all those people I was expecting to find, they were a part of it. And so were we.
What we got? Accumulator for and water wheels. We'll take all that. What's this?
This locker is empty, but the scanner can pick up molecular traces from things it had in it previously. Even if they don't unlock new technologies, scannable objects like these can round out your databank with background information. Keep an eye out for them.
Will do. Let's take a look. What was it? This was exploration, probably. Yep. Ing student on Birdside. Did anyone hear? Birdside Hing. June 1st, 2075. Did anyone hear back on their apps for expedition yet? Near perfect exam score, but probably still a long shot. 11-minute applicants. The Clinical Expedition Selection Process was a worldwide public program to select, recruit, and train potential candidates for Earthbound and orbital vocational services within M.O.L.E. A secondary, highly classified procedure was also utilized to identify crew members for expeditionary service to Calyx. Phases 7, format August real, acceptance rate 0.0001%. Accumulator 2 tech now available on the tech tree. Nice. Question is, how am I gonna get up out of here? There we go. Scan complete. That's my other blue ball. Let's see. 200 research blue core. Thank you. Core clustering. So research core 480 million requires charge accumulates to active related technologies at cost of 2,000 kilowatts per core. Core clusters is formed at 5 cores. Core clustering enables formation of core clustering from unassigned research cores in Composer. Assign core clusters to generate core boost bonuses. Accumulated charge required 80,000 kilowatts. Well, we can do that later. As soon as we scan one. But that's a blue energy. So we can't do that. Nothing. Blue, blue, blue. Blue, 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 and blue, blue, blue.
Task inbound. Research core. 480 nanometers. Blue. Enables the activation of advanced technologies. Advanced technologies require accumulated electrical charge at time of activation. Insufficient charge will result in tech lockout.
Oh, man. Insufficient charge. Tech lockout. There's stuff up there, too. Let's scan this. M.O.L.E T59 tunneling. Tech now available in the tech tree. M.O.L.E tunneling. Oh, that's a blue one. We got another one. Scan complete. M.O.L.E 77 flatten. I've already flattened. And that's another. 5x9, 7x7. Interesting. What's this?
Very acrobatic of you to find a way up here, Breaker. This navigational sphere is inactive, but your scanner was able to pull a databank entry from it.
What's the databank entry? Let's take a look. Expedition, diagnostic, intersector, high bounce transmission. All right, we already did the first one. Theoretical limits of high transmission. Are you seriously asking me if I'm familiar with Voyager 1? Of course I am. That isn't the point. What I'm saying is that the Cadillac system's to be generating some kind of interference on its own. Obviously, it reads as magnetic, but that doesn't explain everything. It wouldn't matter if Cadillac was sitting in the middle of the port. Heaven's eye over the satellite. Blah, blah, blah. I think we read that. Was a primary vector for communications between Earth and all external assets in transit to Cadillac. It was also used to establish secondary worldwide internet. Yeah, we read that. I'm gonna go see if something was up there. Maybe I will. Alright, I give up trying to go up there. Let's go back around here.
Look up, Breaker. We were too late. Only one person would have been in that chair.
Oh, that chair. How late are we is the question. Anything for me to scan? Not seeing anything to scan. Oh, another alien cube. What?
This is Colonel Stefan Wagner. Your suit is failing to transmit a signature. Identify yourself.
Ow.
Paladin? Sir, you're alive!
In much the same way that you are, it would seem. It is a strange thing to be a witness to your own lifeless body.
I was unlucky enough to end up next to mine too, but yeah.
I'm not sure what we are now, but I know somehow that I am still myself. I am conscious. I am choosing these words. My experience of this loss is emotional.
Hey, I'm in no better shape than you are. And this breaker has something wrong with their suit. For all we know, they could be a stack of drones in a trench coat. Either way, at least we've got a body to work with.
Precisely. For now, we must focus on goals that we can achieve. If the sensors from my command bridge were correct, our manufacturing in Sector Victor has been compromised. How far has your exhaustive reconstruction progressed?
Exhaustive reconstruction? Sir, it's the entire sector.
My apologies, Sergeant. I did not realize you had more pressing commitments.
We're rebuilding, sir, but mostly to focus on recovering signals for search and rescue. We can't reach command, we don't have orders, and for all we know, every sector could be exactly like this one. Gone.
Sergeant, your unit could go for months without direction from the surface. That's what deep reconnaissance is about. That's why we chose you to lead it. The resources we came here to harvest, refine, and bring home to Earth are still needed. There is no hardship we can face that does not pale in comparison to the strife that will be visited upon humanity if we fail. Until we learn otherwise, our mission to industrialize this world remains. And rest assured that we will rescue everyone we can to help us accomplish it. But we will accomplish it.
I understand. Either way, sir, we're going to give it everything we've got.
Good. Now let us find our friends.
Oh, you want to find your friends now? Second ago, you ain't want to do nothing. So we just fell out of the butthole of that thing. We're going to put lady and her new friend down together so they can chit chat if they want to offline where I can't hear them. And I'm going to go try and figure out how to make these blue balls. And make a bunch of them at that. Got a bunch of new stuff going. Feel like I have not been here before. But somebody made a nice little exit out of here. I wonder if anything respawns in this game. I know it's my own personal save, so I wonder if it's just getting bigger and bigger every time I destroy a rock or do anything. With a rock. Yeah, okay. It's gonna put me out right there. I got you. Protected area. There we go. Get up out of here. Yeah, that's protected. These are just rocks. This might be a good place to put up some power outlets. Look at that. So that's pretty low. Yeah, that might be a good spot for some generators right here on the riverbed. But anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. My name's Tick, and we'll be back another day with some more quests. When we get back, I should have a stack of blue orbs going, and maybe some more power plants and stuff like that, and then we'll continue on the quest lines. So, until then, y'all take care.